Welcome to HomePantry, your go-to source for all things kitchen and home. Today, we're diving deep into a piece of cookware that promises not just convenience but also a touch of elegance for your countertop. We're talking about the wonderful 6-quart programmable slow cooker by Drew Barrymore, presented here in a delightful Porcini Taupe finish. If you're someone who loves hearty meals but struggles to find the time, or if you simply appreciate appliances that look as good as they perform, then stick around, because this might just be your new kitchen essential. Let's start by unpacking what this slow cooker brings to the table, quite literally. The headline feature here is its generous 6-quart capacity. This is not a dinky little cooker. This is designed to handle family-sized portions, comfortably serving up to 7 people. This makes it absolutely perfect for those busy weeknights when you need to get dinner on the table without a fuss, but it also shines when it comes to meal prepping for the week ahead, or when you're hosting friends and family and want to serve up large batch recipes with minimal effort. It truly embodies the idea of an efficient kitchen appliance. What really sets this slow cooker apart is its programmability and its preset cooking functions. Drew Barrymore's design team has included 5 distinct preset modes: meat, poultry, stew, soup, and chili. This is a game changer for anyone who's ever felt intimidated by slow cooking. Instead of guessing temperatures and times, you simply select the preset that matches your dish, and the cooker takes care of the rest. This hands-off convenience is incredibly valuable for busy lifestyles. You can truly set it and forget it, coming home to a perfectly cooked meal. Speaking of control, the programmable digital timer is another standout feature. It offers a wide range of cooking times, from a quick 30 minutes up to a full 24 hours. This level of precision is fantastic for everything from tenderizing tough cuts of meat to gently simmering delicate ingredients. And once your chosen cooking time is up, the slow cooker automatically switches to a keep warm mode. This means your food stays at the ideal serving temperature, ready whenever you are, without any risk of overcooking. It's a thoughtful detail that adds significant practical value. Now, let's talk about the practicalities, the things that make using and cleaning a kitchen appliance a joy or a chore. This slow cooker has made great strides in both areas. The removable ceramic cooking pot and the shatter-resistant tempered glass lid are both dishwasher safe. This is a huge win for anyone who dreads scrubbing pots and pans after a meal. Just pop them in the dishwasher, and you're done. Furthermore, the cool touch handles and the stainless steel lid rest are designed for safe and convenient handling. You can lift the lid or move the pot without worrying about burns, and the lid rest provides a handy place to put the lid while serving, preventing messy drips. Beyond its functionality, this slow cooker is undeniably beautiful. Drew Barrymore's signature touch is evident in its sleek, touch-activated digital display and elegant gold accents. The premium, matte finish, in this lovely Porcini Taupe, adds a modern and stylish aesthetic to any kitchen counter. It's an appliance that you won't want to hide away in a cupboard. It complements your kitchen decor, blending sophisticated design with everyday utility. So, let's break down the pros and cons of the wonderful 6-quart programmable slow cooker. On the pro side, we have the generous 6-quart capacity, the versatility of the 5 preset cooking functions, the precise programmable timer with automatic keep warm, and the incredible ease of cleaning thanks to the dishwasher-safe components. The safety features like cool touch handles are also a major plus. And, of course, the stylish design is a significant draw for those who value aesthetics. On the con side, for some users, the price point might be a consideration, as it often comes with a premium due to the brand and design elements. While the presets are fantastic, very advanced cooks might prefer more granular manual control beyond the timer. Also, while it's designed for up to 7 people, if you consistently cook for larger gatherings, you might eventually need an even bigger capacity. However, for most households, 6 quarts is an excellent sweet spot. In conclusion, the wonderful 6-quart programmable slow cooker by Drew Barrymore and Porcini Taupe is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. It successfully combines robust functionality with an undeniably stylish design. It simplifies meal preparation, offers precise cooking control, and makes cleanup a breeze. If you're looking for a reliable, attractive, and user-friendly slow cooker that can handle family-sized meals, this is definitely one to consider. It's a testament to how everyday appliances can be both highly functional and visually appealing. Link in the description.